See, it's all about cleverly controlling him, I think. Oh, he's fast. Gotta get it out there. Gotta get those fast moves. It'll be like a basketball game.
Max is way too fast with this thing right now.
Oh! That's alright. It's good.
Max,
Now what he says.
Oops. Oh, I must have pushed something to turn it off. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, where's the sun?
Oh my god, he's poking her eye because I see something.
We can take it outside.
is it wet up there?
No, up front.
Up back is not wet either.
It's not.
It was. It's not anymore.
Doesn't look like it. Oh, there's some spots that are wet.
We could take it out in the street. That's so funny.
He's gonna like that. Yeah.
Are you sure this isn't a toy for Max
Instead
instead of for Grandpa?
They go together, I think.
Yeah.
See, it's a
Oh,
combination.
look, he's pushing it, Chloe.
Oh yeah, it's
He's
good
it like
pushing.
he did this tricycle.
Yeah, it won't stay still for you.
He's awesome.
You can drag Max around with it. That's
Yeah.
brilliant.
Yeah.
You said now I know what shoes feel like?
Yeah.
It's on the ground.
Yeah.
Well, like this to you. Put it over there, Kat.
What?
On the ground over there. It'll be faster.